The auditorium has been transformed into a cozy space with travel posters and memorabilia from various trips the group once planned. The former students, Alex, Marilyn, Monica, and Eunice stepped in, smiling as they look around at familiar moments.
Oh, my favorite club process. The world doesn't teach you a day. Or maybe it was all those lessons on how to pack lightly and travel smart.
Or maybe, Professor, we were just so prepared after all those itinerary scenarios to tell us how to handle travel chaos.
Whatever it was, being back to it all planning now. It feels like we're planning our next big adventure again, only this time, no exams to worry about.
Yeah, and let's not forget the impossible task of managing budget, schedules, and famous factors. Those cocktails were legendary, Professor. Even now, I sometimes get flashbacks when I'm driving through the mountains.
They gather around the board with photos from past trips. Study tours they planned during their tourism course. Everyone smiles, recalling the highs and lows of their shared experience.
Look at this. The day Alex almost derailed our group tour by booking the wrong train.
In my defense, European train systems can be confusing, but at least I learned how to adapt on the fly.
That was one chaotic day, but we ended up in an amazing village we'd never planned to see. One of those happy accidents.
Oh, come on. It was pure luck. We didn't get started. Eunice will lead us to the survival trek through the Alps.
They sit down on a cozy couch surrounded by travel team decor. Each takes turn sharing their life updates.
So, what are you all up to now? Alex, you first. Where has your expertise taken you?
I'm working in logistics now, managing supply chains for international deliveries. It's a different kind of travel, but trust me, it's all about timing and precision.
I'm living in Paris, writing for a travel magazine. I get to explore hidden gems all over Europe. It's been a dream come true.
I stayed in the travel industry, working as a consultant. I help people plan their perfect trips, everything from luxury tourists to backpacking adventures. I'm a tour guide now, leading groups through the mountains and ancient ruins. You could say I'm paid to have adventures every day.
They are all standing by the door preparing to say their goodbyes.
Well, no international incidents from me today, but you better not forget the lessons and don't forget it either.
Professor, there's no chance we could forget you even if we tried. You made sure of that with all of your pop quizzes.
You'll always be part of our stories, Professor. Every trip I take, I think of something you taught us.
And we will try our best not to get lost without your guidance, but no promises. I'm still up for an adventure and thank you, Professor. Just give me a call and I'll bring the box.